Wait a minute. Who are you?
Hi guys, I hope you all are still doing well. My name is Holofelo to those who don't know me, but you can call me MK, it's fine. You'll probably be wondering why I made this video. This week was a very hectic one, but one of the most productive weeks I've ever had before this year. Remember on the previous video that I made a few days ago, I told you guys that if you really need money or if you really want to make money, stop scrolling and search how to make money. You will thank yourself later. I was not joking. I was not tripping. Actually, I was trying to plug those who need to be plugged. So yeah, this is all about... Oh my God! Wow! There are some few things that you need to take into consideration if you want to make money or if you want to be a hustler. Let's focus on only these three things now. Number one, you need to stay focused. Number two, you need to be patient. Number three, you need to invest as much as you can. And here's the additional one. Number four, try to keep quiet about your success. What do I mean by that? Let's find out.
Listen to these words very carefully.
What do I mean when I say stay focused, be patient, invest as much as you can? I simply mean do not give up. Never ever give up. Your journey might be short or long. Try not to give up. Keep on pushing until you get what you want. If the business that you started is not working for you, never give up entirely. Just drop the business and start another one. Or try to sit down and do self-introspection and find out where or what do you need to improve in order to get what you want. Easy. You don't have to worry. You don't have to stress yourself. The only thing that you need to do is to stay focused, to be patient, and to invest as much as you can. Forget about what people say.
I think we're gonna be friends.
Like I said before, guys, I'm not rich or something. I'm poor. Actually, I'm trying my best. I'm broke. Most of the time, I'm broke. But once I get a chance to be alone, I can try by all means to make something happen, and something will end up happening, like it or not. This is what I'm talking about. Now I'm holding 1.1k, something that most people get for working almost a week, but I managed to make it within a day. Oh my God! Wow! Even now, I repeat, if you really need money or if you really want to make money, go search how to make money. You'll thank yourself later. And B, never focus on videos that encourages you on how to start gambling or to start gambling. However, focus on videos that encourages you to start a business or invest or any idea on how to make money besides gambling. Yeah. They're there and they're too much and they're very, very much useful. That's what I know. And that's what I've noticed and that's what I've learned. I recommend you guys to go and follow DJ Sbu and watch his videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. However, most of the time or most of his videos talks about real estate investment, land investment, which requires you to have enough assets so that you can start that business. However, from those videos, you can learn something. Those videos can help you to have an idea on how to start a business and stick to it until you get what you want. Those videos are very, very much useful. However, there are many TikTokers or many YouTubers who can help you with making money ideas. Okay, guys, that's enough. As I said, try to do your best to make money and stop depending on others. You understand? So that's what I always wanted to share with you. And B, stop or stay away from ideas that encourages you to start gambling. Only focus on ideas that encourages you to start a business or to start investing. You'll thank yourself later. Or other ideas besides gambling. You get what I'm saying? So that's what I always wanted to say to you guys. Go check DJ's book. We'll talk to you about investing. To those who already have money, he will talk to you about investing on properties mostly. And other TikTokers, they will encourage you on how to make money, stuff like that. And again, guys, as one of Kavelo's biggest fan, remember Kavelo is one of the most popular TikTok salesmen who's selling cars, VW cars specifically. He always say, or he's well known for saying that, "Holy sharp. Also, holy sharp. Scalapisha baba gola sharp. Try to make yourself a roll sharp or scalapisha baba gola sharp." Understand? So now, personally, I don't know. It's up to you. Take it or leave it. But now, personally, as one of Kavelo's biggest fans, I'll advise you to do what? To Nka! Nka die then.